welcome back to Kala Poshana. This is Vishnu. I hope you all are doing good. In today's DIY, I am going to make Lippan Art style look-alike project without using any clay. I hope you enjoyed watching this DIY and got some ideas for your next home projects. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Also, leave a comment how you like this DIY. Now without any delay, let's get started.
3 mm cotton cord. You can find this at any craft store. Small Lippan Art mirrors. I am using small round mirrors for today's project. 5-inch round craft mirror. Heart-shaped wood cutouts in 2 sizes. I got them from Amazon. It comes in a pack with 200 pieces. Scissors. Compass to draw the circles. Scale or ruler to measure. Glue. Bright pink and white acrylic paints. Flat paintbrush. Please check the video description for all the links of the products I have used to make this DIY. Traditionally, Lippan Art is made with clay and mirrors. We need to get all the clay noodles in a similar shape before we can use them, which might not be easy for beginners. So I came up with this idea of using a cotton cord to create beautiful Lippan Art curves, and adding to this idea to create petals as new design, I am using wood cutouts in my project to create Lippan Art look-like wall decor. I am using a 12-inch wood base. On this wood base, first mark the center, cut out a paper similar to the wood base, fold the paper as shown, and now we have the center of the circle. Use this paper marking to add the center mark on the wood base. Similarly, for the round mirror, I marked the center, took the radius using a compass, and drew the circle on the wood base. I increased another inch on my compass and drew one more circle to outline the lines of my design on the wood base. I created 2.5-inch radius circle, then 3.5-inch, and then 4.5-inch radius circles. Now apply glue to the wood base and attach the cotton cord. I recommend wearing glove to attach this cord to the wood base so that the glue does not stick to your hands. Cut the cord, apply some more glue, gently press it and attach it to the wood base. Similarly, attach the cotton cord to all the circles made per the design. Gently press the cotton cord towards the wood base and let it dry for 15 minutes. Using cotton cord, it is easy and fast to create the circles. While attaching the cotton cord to the wood base, turn the cotton cord around the marked lines by gently pressing it towards the wood base. Once we cut the cotton cord, make sure you secure the thread with glue before attaching the corner to the wood base. Later, adjust the cotton cord with the circular lines we drew to get the perfect shape of the curves. Wearing glove helps so that the glue does not stick to your hands. I had my experiences in the past, so now I always make sure I am wearing the glove before using glue to avoid multiple hand washes. Follow the same process and attach the cotton cord to the rest of the circles in the design. I am going to paint only 3 sections of the design, as I'll be attaching the 5 mm mirror to the center of the wood base. Now, using a flat paintbrush, apply 1 coat of white acrylic paint and let it dry for 10 minutes. Add bright pink acrylic paint to the 3 sections of the design. Apply 3 coats of pink acrylic paint using a flat paintbrush and let it dry completely. Don't worry, if the paint gets on the cotton cord, we can always correct it later. Now, I am attaching 20 mm wood cutouts to the first section using glue. Try to place the heart shape of the wood cutouts and then add glue and attach them to the wood base. Similarly, I attached 10 mm wood cutouts by arranging them on the wood base and later using glue, attach them to the wood base. Using glue, I attached the small round glass mirrors to create my design. I am using round shaped mirrors here. You can use any mirrors of your choice and create the design as per your creativity. When I painted the pink acrylic paint, there were some places where I painted the cotton cord, which is fine. I am going to paint the cotton cord and all the heart-shaped wood cutouts with white acrylic paint and let it dry completely. I added 3 coats of white acrylic paint. I let each coat dry for at least 5 minutes before adding the next coat of white paint. I love mandala dots, and here adding some mandala dots around the glass mirror and the heart-shaped wood cutouts. I don't know, it's just me. I feel like my creation is incomplete without adding mandala dots. Adding these mandala dots gives unique look to this wall art. I'm using dotting tools here, but if you don't have them, you can always use a ball hairpin or toothpick to create these dots. Add good amount of glue to the center of the wood base and attach the large mirror. Don't remove the mirror protection yet. Beautiful Lippan Art style look wall decor is ready. Isn't it easy to make? Now to attach this wall decor to the wall, I'm using my painter's tape and hot glue technique. I attached all these frames and wood bases using the same technique, and it has been over a year now and still holds great to my home walls. Added 2 layers of painter's tape or masking tape to the wall and add 2 layers of painter's tape to the wood base. Add hot glue to the painter's tape we added to the wall. Attach the wall decor and gently press it towards the wall. This is why I did not remove the mirror protection before, as I may leave my fingerprints on the mirror while pressing it towards the wall. You don't want to end up cleaning the mirror later. Now remove the mirror protection and beautiful, easy, beginner-friendly Lippan Art style look wall decor is ready. Here is the final reveal of my project. I hope you enjoyed watching this project and got some ideas for your DIY projects. Comment if you have questions, I am happy to answer them. If you are new to my channel, subscribe for more easy DIY projects. Thank you very much for watching.